Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to install iTunes in Windows 11. Firstly, click to Microsoft Store. Otherwise, you can search and type. So I have a shortcut on the taskbar and click. Then you have click to App. Scroll down here. If your Microsoft Store is not showing, so you can search iTunes and then click. And get to click. Now this is downloading. Actually, your depend about your internet. Like your internet is very fast, so quickly download. Otherwise, you can wait. So guys, this is now installed properly. So you can click to open. Uh, Agree. I agree. iTunes simply no thanks, it's okay. And this is already installed. And connect your mobile Mac. So guys, thank you for watching.